Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or whatever time you're watching this. For me, 6:30 in the morning, and that, quite frankly, is way too early. But today, we're doing something pretty cool. I'm going to shoot with some people you may recognize from an older video, people from Santorini. That's right, yogis. Today I'm shooting with Dave, and we're doing acro yoga, but we're gonna spice it up with colored powder. So I basically get to watch people do acro yoga, which if you don't know what it is, you're about to find out. It's absolutely insane. And then I get to throw powder at them while I take pictures. Should be fun. Let's hit the road. This like transition outro thing would have been way more impactful if this Jeep wasn't so hard to close. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. We are in Hamilton, Ontario at a place called Tiffany Falls. It's absolutely like unreal in here. I don't know if you can see, like it's such a sweet forest, great spot for photo shoots. If you're ever in Hamilton, Ontario, I recommend it. We're walking towards a small waterfall now, and that's where we're gonna start shooting with all the powder and paint and all that awesome stuff. So let's go. Okay, so scratch that. Here's what happened. Went to the waterfall, needed a permit, didn't have a permit, went to a different place, made like 7 or 8 wrong turns. Now we're back on track, and we're actually at the waterfall we're supposed to be at. So now, maybe we're gonna start shooting? I don't know. So far I've just been walking a lot and I can taste blood. So, you know, stopping to shoot would be nice. All right, so we're at the waterfall with our cast. I'll show you everybody who's here. We got Super Dave, he's running the show. Dave, what's the game plan for today?
Game plan is to get some epic shots with some beautiful colors.
All right, beautiful colors. Then we got Ash.
I'm the creative director today.
Oh, creative director,
Woo!
Right on.
And this is my assistant.
Yep, the best looking person on set right there, Riley. And then we've got our other acro yogi, Sandra.
My plan is to go home covered in color.
Beautiful. And you guys are about to see what acro yoga is all about. It's insane. I don't know how they do the things they do, but check this out. All right, our yogis are all warmed up. Ash, how do you think this is gonna go?
It could be good or bad, I don't know.
There's a bunch of people watching behind us. We got an audience.
I know.
So you have to be on your game too because you're...
Okay, I'm on it, I'm ready. Riley is too. Let's see how it turns out. I'm just gonna set the camera to burst mode and take a ton of pictures. This is what it looks like. Okay, so we shot with the powder and they did all their crazy acro poses. This is my favorite part of the whole situation. Check out the aftermath. We got Ash, who did nothing but throw. She's got all over his face. Dave, who looks like an alien at this point. And Sandra, who's like, yep, just colored head to toe. Wow. And Riley, who wasn't even involved, somehow managed to get half his body covered blue.
Collateral damage.
Here's more of the aftermath. Before any of you start going on about what I did here, it's all natural.